How to make your own polymer clay texture tool. I'm using Super Sculpey to create this tool, but any polymer clay should work. The first thing I do is sculpt the general shape of my tool. I had some extra needle tools, so I'm using one of those to make a handle. This part is not necessary, but I did like having a handle on it. To create the texture, I'm using a few different sizes of ball tools to make indentions in the clay. I'll be using this particular tool to texture a dragon sculpture. Try creating different patterns in your clay to make all kinds of different texture tools. With the tool complete, I'll remove the needle tool handle and bake according to package instructions. Once it's cooled down, I can glue the two pieces together with some Loctite superglue gel. To apply the texture, press the tool into the unbaked clay and gently roll it over your sculpture. Applying more pressure will give you a deeper texture if the thickness of your clay and depth of your texture tool allow it. Since this was a sculpture I ended up painting, I wanted to show how the texture looks when you dry brushed over it. It certainly makes all the details pop. For the head of the dragon, I made another texture tool, but this time with smaller indentions. Now let's take a look how this tool improved my finished sculpture. A special thanks to JH Creations and Mind of AK for inspiring me to make this tool and saving me a lot of time when making my dragon. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, make sure to ring that notification bell. If you want to learn more about polymer clay, be sure to check out my bite-sized tutorial playlist, or you can check out one of my original creations up here. If you have any questions about polymer clay, be sure to leave them in the comments down below. All right, well, thank you so much for watching, and remember, never stop creating. Bye.